In this video, I'll show you how to repair a corrupted Outlook PST file. If your Outlook is freezing, crashing, or throwing errors like your PST file cannot be accessed, your PST file is likely corrupted. I'll use the app Stellar Repair for Outlook. Let's get started. I have opened the application Stellar Repair for Outlook. It shows two options. With the List Profiles option, it scans all Outlook data files for accounts added to Outlook. Then you can select the account whose data file is corrupted. Or you can manually select the corrupted PST file on your computer. Then browse for the corrupted data file. This is the corrupted Outlook data file I want to repair. I'll select it. I'll click the repair button. It is analyzing the file and now it is repairing the data file. Done. The selected file has been repaired. Here are the emails it found in the inbox folder. In the notes, I can see it recovered the saved notes. It also recovered the contacts and the calendar events. Here I can see the deleted items as well. These are all the custom folders Outlook had for the account. All data has been recovered successfully. We are now going to import all this data into Outlook. I'll click this Save Repaired File option. The free version of this software lets you preview everything first, so you can confirm your data is actually recoverable. To save the repaired file, you need to purchase the license. Since we are going to import this into Outlook, I need to save it as a PST file. PST is selected, I'll click Next. My download folder is already selected. I'll click the OK button. The program is saving the repaired PST file. It is saved. Here is the repaired PST file. Let's import this into Outlook. In Outlook, I'll click the File menu. Then I'll select Open and Export. I'll select this option Import Export. I'll select Import from another program or file and click the Next button. Here I'll select Outlook data file.pst and I'll click the Next button. I'll browse for the repaired data file and I'll select the file. Then I'll click the Next button. It shows Stellar Repair for Outlook. If I expand it, it shows all the items. Here I can import only one folder if I need to. If I just want to import the emails from inbox, then I can select the inbox here. Or if I want to import only calendar, then I can select the calendar here. I want to import the complete data, so I'll select this here, Stellar Repair for Outlook. My email account is selected where I want to import the data. I'll click the Finish button. It is importing the data. Now here I can see all the emails from the repaired data file. If you need to organize the emails into a different folder, then select the emails, right-click, select Move, and select the folder where you want to move the emails. I have selected the inbox of this email account and I'll click the OK button. The emails are now moved into this folder. Then you can work on the other folders to organize the emails. The emails will be synchronized with Microsoft Exchange. And you can view all the emails in the Outlook app for mobile or in Outlook Web. If you are using the new Outlook and want to import the repaired data file, click the gear icon, select Files, select Import, and click this Get Started button under Outlook data file. Select the file. This is the repaired Outlook data file and open it. The import wizard will walk you through the rest. Stellar Repair for Outlook has no file size limit, recovers deleted item, and preserves your original folder structure. And your original PST file stays completely safe because the tool works in read-only mode. Download Stellar Repair for Outlook. You will find the link in the video description. Check out the other videos on Microsoft 365 and Outlook on the channel. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.